beautiful divas and dudes, Princess Cress here, and I just want to do kind of I guess a review, but I haven't put them on yet, for the Cosmere Perfect Elegance Quick Fit nail tips. Now I purchased these at Kmart, and it says tip shape square and petite square, and it comes with this little glue. I used to use these a long time ago, and they last, if you add a little acrylic to the top overcoat, it'll last real long, but if you just put them on with glue, they don't last that long. I'm trying to see square and petite square. So you get 44 nail tips in here plus the glue. Let's see if I can get this out. Alright, I'll see the I think that's, let's see what they mean by square and petite square. Oh, it's just a smidge smaller. I'm still, that's something darker. I don't know if you can tell the difference. I mean, like these two right here, the number 3. Where's that? I think it's the same size to me. It is very tiny bit shape difference. But I love that little square. And I usually get the French nail tips, but with the economy and stuff, I've done my own nails for years, and it's a lot cheaper to do them yourself. And if you do the acrylics, everybody in the house is like, ooh, shoo, that stinks of smell. It's like you go in the nail salon and they always have the mask on. I'm thinking, well, where's my mask? You know, they should give customers masks too, so they won't have to smell it. That's another thing. But I just wanted to show that quick. And you know, in the other video that I had for the haul, I showed you these. These are press on. These are glue on. So I'll just be comparing these two. These will last longer. These are like, I think it says on there, last up to a week. Maybe. With a little star next to it. But I'm just getting tired of not having any nails, so I figured I might try them, and I'll just let you know maybe in another video how they hold up. Y'all have a good week.